Okay guys, this is just a quick video to show you when you get to your Plesk panel and try to log in, and you get this warning and you can't do anything about it because there is this HSTS network error. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. So the best thing is, as you can see, I refresh the page and nothing happens, and I click advanced and there is no link. So what you will do is go to Chrome. I will post this in a message below, in the description, sorry, and paste, click enter. Now in there we're gonna put the website, actually here, and delete. Now we go back to the page, refresh, and click advance, and there you go. That's the link to proceed to your cPanel login. I hope this video helps quite a few people, and please subscribe and comment, thumb up. Thank you very much. Bye.